Hi, welcome to Designo page. We will see how to create a poll and engage your YouTube subscribers and fans on it. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new tutorial videos in our channel. We need to click the Create tab on the top bar of YouTube channel. Next, we can click this Create Post from the drop-down menu. Next, here on the community section, we can create the poll. We can add the poll question here that we intend to engage the subscribers and YouTube users who visit our channel. Next, here we can type in the poll option one below the other. We can add more than two options. Once we are done with adding the poll options, we can either post the poll right away or we can schedule the poll on a future date and time by selecting here. In this video, we shall post the poll immediately. You can see our poll is live. Let's open the Community tab in a different browser to test and confirm the poll option and how it engages the subscriber or YouTube fans. And done. YouTube poll helps us to get better understanding of what the YouTube fans or subscribers would like to see more on our channel. We can add poll on various subjects and get opinions. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like and share my video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon.